Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to add your Bigcommerce sitemap to Google Analytics. Submitting and connecting the sitemap properly helps us monitor site performance, track traffic insights, and improve our overall SEO strategy. Now, let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to Settings. You'll find Settings at the bottom part of your list. Here, we can see Settings. Once we're in Settings, we go to Advanced. Once in Advanced, we check for and go to Data Solutions. You can see the Google Analytics form here. Just click Connect. Make sure we already have our Google Analytics account. To get our measurement ID, we just need to click. Now, to get the measurement ID, we go to Analytics. If we don't have one, we just need to register our business first. To find the Analytics measurement ID, we go to the Admin section. Once we're in Admin, click Property. Now, click Data and Collection Modification. Once here, click on Data Streams. In the Data Stream section, click Web. After clicking Web, if our business is registered, we can see the measurement ID here. Copy the measurement ID. If you can't see the measurement ID, it might be because the business is not registered or it's a trial version. Once we have the measurement ID, paste it here, along with the API secret, and click Connect. Once connected, we go back to Analytics, and we can now view Analytics for our website. After clicking Web, we will see Analytics on our dashboards. Now, our Google Analytics 4 dashboard is visible on Bigcommerce, and that's how we connect the Bigcommerce sitemap for virtual tracking and insights in Google Analytics. Keeping Analytics properly configured helps us make data-driven decisions to grow our store.